Join me as I go through a massive Halloween supply haul from TEMU. I'll even show you some completed projects. Halloween is just around the corner. I can't wait to show you what I got in my craft supply haul from TEMU. Some great stuff at some great prices. I've been needing some inspiration. I think I found quite a few things that will help with that. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to see more of these videos. Let me show you these bits and bobs. These are so cute. I got these for $2.46, a whole bunch of these. And these will look great on junk journal tags and on your keychain, on some jewelry. Now these are some great little iron-on or sew-on patches. Only $1.34 each. I got 2 of them. I think these are so cute. I might put one on my lunch bag. Next up here are a bunch of stickers of the moon in different phases, and there's more than one of each of the phases. I got this big pack for $1.79, and there's a lot of them. I kind of separated them out to see how many were in here of each phase, and it looks like a pretty complete inclusive set. Now these stencils I just love. I use these on a couple of ATC cards that you'll see at the end of the video, and they worked great. I just really love these. And here you see all 4 of them on here. Now next here is a moon stencil I also used on a card at the end of the video. Love this stencil. Only $1.50, and I'm still new at stenciling, but this made it so easy to use with these different layering techniques. Really recommend this one. Now this one, this is for some resin, and I did try this with UV resin. I don't recommend it. You need to use the real 2-part resin on this one, so I haven't got around to doing it yet. But this looks like a great mold. Both of these sets are, and I just didn't use the right resin. So make sure you use the 2-part resin when you do this. Now this little set here has been discontinued, but I wanted to show it to you. I had gotten this in the clearance section of TEMU, and I had to hunt for the die set that went with it. They were 2 separate areas. Great bargains, but don't forget to look in the clearance sections to TEMU. Now this little set here is really cute. $2.54 for this stamp set. Has a whole bunch of different Halloween-y, scary kind of things on here. Look great in junk journals. Kind of give a vintage vibe on things. This one here is also a discontinued one, but I wanted to show it to you. It has a whole bunch of different things I think will look great in junk journals, so keep your eye out for this. It may come back. Only $2.11 for these big stamps. And I think this will look great in a junk journal. Haven't figured out what to do with a card yet. Now this one here is cute. I haven't used too many of the little character stamps yet, but I have used the sentiments in this on several of my projects. And I think it's going to be very versatile in a couple of projects coming up. So definitely really cute. And you can see the ones I've used, they're a little darker. Now this is a moon stamp. Kind of bought a whole bunch of stuff with moons on here. It's getting, Halloween and Christmas time. A lot of this kind of stuff is going on. It also has fall things in here with leaves and things. This stamp is adorable. Now this has been also discontinued on TEMU, but I did find it on Amazon. I'll see if I can give you a link below. I used this on a card that turned out stunning. Just love this stamp. So check it out at the end of the video. This is a tree stamp. This can be used in fall scenes or winter scenes. And here's some examples of what you can do with it here. Only $1.99 for all these little trees. All different kinds of ideas and scenes that you could make with this. Your imagination just go nuts on this one here. All right, I just love this stamp here. I have some ideas I'm going to use for this one. I have used that web there at the top and a Happy Halloween, but I love this haunted house and I want to use this for some. Only $1.61 for this stamp set. Now you will notice in the pictures there, some of the prices are higher or lower than what I put in green and blue. You have a 30-day window to claim a refund on anything the price changes for lower. So make sure you go in there and hit that refund button. Now this little cute stamp here has goofy cats, and I put these on some little tags that you'll see at the end of the video, and I used some watercolor pencils on them. They turned out pretty cute. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but here's a picture of a card. I would have loved it if I could have found a die set for this, but I could not find a die set for it at all. Webs. All different kinds and styles here. So many different things you can do with this. Cards, junk journaling, just little odds and ends things. Only $1.97 for that variety there. Here's some examples for some cards and stuff. And I did use one of these stamps in a project yesterday. Turned out really cute. This is another stamp I just loved. These little ghosts and little flower scenes and stuff. Made some ATC cards out of this with some glow-in-the-dark distress pastes and stuff. Turned out so cute. I'll show you at the end of the video on these too. So here's some examples. Now this is my favorite tree yet. The spooky tree with a spooky face. The price of the stamp is just worth that tree alone. $1.79. Just love that tree. I use that in several projects coming up that you'll see also. Could not find a die set for this one either. So if you find one, let me know. I would love to be able to cut these out on a die set. These little guys here, these are so cool. I actually cut some out of paper, and I cut some out of HTV, heat transfer vinyl, that you can iron onto stuff. These would be so cute on a hat or a kid's t-shirt. I'll show you some ATCs I made out of this. Now bats, I don't know, for some reason I bought a bunch of bat stuff, bat dies, only $1.99 for these. Cute with these beady eyeballs and stuff, or you can use it without the eyeballs also. This example here at the end coming up right there doesn't use eyeballs, and it looks great. So, but I like the ones with the goofy eyeballs. So I see some projects coming up with that. And here's some more. I love this ghost right there. And I wanted some ghost stuff, and so I picked up this die for that. Haven't used it yet, but I have some plans. Here's all the little pieces in this die set and what it looked like on black cardstock. Really, really cute. And oh, here's some more of those bats. $2.48 for this die set. Just different sizes, different flight patterns. You can just do different things with this. This is a cute set here. The 2 dies came with this, and $4.30 one with this, and a little skeleton you can put together, and a little graveyard, and very versatile. And haven't used it yet either, but I think it'll be really cute on some cards and things. This one I've used and I love it. I did make a video how to design your different paper types in Canva. So you can use one piece of cardstock to make this skull, and it looks like it's textured cardstock. So you gotta check that video out. Here's another cute one. It's not in stock at the moment I did this video, but with a picture there, it sounds like it might come back in. Only $2.26 for this, and this would be great with watercoloring. And on white cardstock, I think it'll turn out really cute. So definitely a project in the future with this one here. Love cats, especially around Halloween. They're just so comical. All right, this one's cute. I made a couple of junk journal tags or bookmarks with this and made shaker style out of it. And these little bits and bobs on the inside, I used some distressed inks and stuff, and glitter pins, and dressed them up really cute. Now this cat here is really cute. I haven't made him yet, but I just love how he's got this little stance going on and is ready to attack. Only $1.61 for this guy here. Can't have a cat without having a dog. Just love this ghost dog here. So I used him in a couple of projects. And I think one was an ATC card, and another one was just a plain old Halloween card. Came out so cute. And I did use watercolor pencils. I'll try to link my watercolor pencils below also. They work great. Here's those more ghosts. Now these ghosts here, I cut out some more heat transfer vinyl, and I want to put them either on a card or on a t-shirt or lunchbox or something. These turn out really cute. I like how you can use like pastel colors on these cards too. I hadn't thought of that before, but it makes a really cute card to do that. So I love printing out these pictures to kind of give me some ideas and inspiration in the future. Okay, here are some of my samples I did. So here's a stamp set with these goofy cats, my Count Cacula and the mummies and stuff. Here's the dogs. My ghost dog here is a little sample of him. And on this card here, you can see I used 2 different stamp sets and the doggy die. There's that scary tree, the happy Halloween stamp, then the dog. And I used some distress sprays and inks in the back. Here's the second dog. There's that spider web stamp and a little spider. The moon stencil I just love. And here's that glow-in-the-dark vinyl ghosts. And so you can iron this on paper, believe it or not. So, and here it is in the dark, just glows really good. Here's a little skeleton guy cut out of paper. I did make some out of heat resist vinyl or heat transfer vinyl right here and put on ATC cards and have traded them off already. These little cards here, these little stamp sets, if you find a die for these, let me know. I used the sentiments from another stamp set here in this group. And these is, and here's the stencils. And I used glow-in-the-dark Ranger texture paste on the background here. Look at that, isn't that cool? I just love glow-in-the-dark stuff and sparkly stuff, anything with glitter and stuff. Now, here's the skull. And believe it or not, that's flat cardstock, but it looks textured because I did this in Canva. So check out that video. Now, there's this cat stamp. Just love this. I did find that you can get this still on Amazon. I'll put that link below. Here's a die set I turned into a shaker bookmark junk journal tag. Turned out so cute. Now, you don't have to make a shaker tag out of this. You can just get those little elements and glue them wherever you want. Turns out great. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Please leave me a comment below. Tell me which projects you like and which kind of projects you want to see in the future. Catch you on the next one.